Today we're making these easy cookies that melt in your mouth. Even though they look super sweet, they're actually not, because the ingredient coating all the cookies is not sugar. I'm sure everyone will love them, and you can easily customize both the flavor and the filling. To start, let's make the dough. In a large bowl, add 2/3 of a cup or 150 grams of butter at room temperature, half a cup or 100 grams of granulated sugar, and the zest of 1 orange. It's very important to zest only the outer orange layer without reaching the white part, so you get a nice orange flavor without any bitterness. If you prefer, you can flavor the dough with lemon zest or vanilla instead. Now add 2 1/3 cups or 280 grams of flour. Mix until the texture looks crumbly. At this point, add 1 large egg at room temperature. Lightly beat the egg before adding it to the bowl. Then start mixing until a smooth dough forms and it no longer sticks to your hands. If the dough feels too dry and still a bit crumbly, you can add a little water gradually. Add about half a teaspoon at a time, mixing after each addition until the dough comes together. If the dough feels too soft, you can add a little more flour, 1 tablespoon at a time. There's no need to knead or overmix the dough, just mix until it's smooth and uniform. Now we're rolling out the dough. There's no need to chill it, you can roll it right away. I like to divide the dough into 2 portions to make it easier to work with, but you can roll it all at once if you prefer. Place the dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper and roll it out to about 1/4 inch thick, or 6 millimeters. Once it is rolled out, we are going to use a 2-inch or 5-centimeter round cutter to cut out several dough discs. Transfer these discs to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. The cookies hardly spread, so there's no need to leave much space between them. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the bottoms are lightly golden. Let the cookies cool completely before taking them off the parchment paper. Once they are completely cool, flip half of the cookies over. Using a piping bag, add the filling to the flat side of these cookies. I'm using dulce de leche, but you can use whatever filling you like: chocolate spread, caramel, ganache, or jam. The only detail you need to pay attention to is that the filling must have a firmer texture so that it does not squeeze out from between the cookies. Place them in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes, just to help the filling set a bit. Now it's time to coat them. I'm using about half a cup to 2/3 of a cup of whole milk powder. You can also use powdered sugar if you prefer, but I personally like to use whole milk powder because it adds flavor, looks beautiful, and doesn't make the cookies overly sweet. And that's it! These delicious cookies melt in your mouth and are perfect for parties, birthdays, gatherings, or any special moment. You can change the flavor of the dough and the filling however you like, and I'm sure everyone will love them. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more easy dessert recipes. See you next time!